So I come home from Grandma's house last night, only to find that thing kind of likes black beans, dried black beans. How do I know this? Because she literally pulled them off of the kitchen table. So she literally had to get on top of the kitchen table to get them. Not one bag, not two bags, but 3 bags she dragged back to her little bed area. And, well, let's just say she's a bad dog. Now, what did that do? That forced me to get my butt in gear and actually bag up some of these beans. And I discovered a few things other than the dog likes black beans that maybe you'd be interested in. So what I'm going to do is we'll head back to the kitchen real quick. I'm going to show you a couple things. We're going to talk about a few things, and I'm not going to waste a lot of your time. And yeah, let's do that now.
So, generally speaking, Penny is not a bad dog. Penny's just got her problems. She's an older hunting dog, a very expensive hunting dog that just refuses to hunt. I'm very surprised that she's alive. She's had one litter that we know of. She's had her tail chopped off, and she's basically a 47-pound nose that will get herself in trouble. On to the beans. I've already told you the story, and what we need to look at now is how we're going to resolve this problem. First things first, how are we going to store these beans? Well, there's a lot of different options out there, but the quickest, fastest, easiest way to do it is just to vacuum seal them. So I broke out the old handy-dandy vacuum sealer, started sealing those beans up. Sometimes I leave them in the wrapper, sometimes I don't. The ones that she got into, I sorted out, let them dry out a little bit, and then repackaged them inside of your typical vacuum seal bags. Once that was done, I started to really think about the larger amount of beans that I bought, because I normally do about 20 pounds at a time. Sometimes I buy the little ones, sometimes I buy the big bags. And I started to think about how I was going to be processing those beans when I opened the packages, what was actually going to happen. And I kind of came up with an idea. I started to put them in the big bag of beans, basically 4 pounds of beans, inside of the Mylar bags, and I realized that there was just way too much space inside this bag for even 4 pounds of beans, and I'm not going to put 20 pounds of beans inside of one bag. That's just not very efficient when it comes time to actually use the beans. So I came up with this ingenious idea. I'm gonna do a little experiment. I'm going to make a video. I'll probably post it tomorrow, and yeah. That's what we're going to do.
So as you can see, one thing leads to another, to another, to another. Not all bad things end good like this, but it is what it is. If you're interested in this gear, there's a link down there. Check it out. Do what you want with your money. It's all yours. Till the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye. It's really easy, just down there. Down there. Hello, Penny. Yeah, just down there. Bye.